Hari Om everyone. In this video, we'll talk about 5 basic yoga asanas for beginners. So let's get started.
Number 1. Cat-cow pose. Inhale, arch your back for cow pose. Exhale, round your back for cat pose. Continue for 30 to 40 seconds. Cat-cow pose improves posture and balance. It stretches the spine and neck. It massages the internal organs. It reduces stress and calms the mind. Number 2. Parvat Asana. From table pose, lift your knees off the floor while exhaling. Keep your elbows and knees straight. And hold for 30 to 40 seconds. While holding this asana, breathe normal. Parvatasana increases the blood circulation, reduces the back pain, and it improves the focus and memory. Number 3. Bhujangasana. Place your hands by the chest, both legs together. Now while inhaling, slowly come up and arch your back and hold. While holding, breathe normal. Bhujangasana improves digestion, reduces back pain, and helps in coping with fatigue, depression, and stress. Number 4. Setu Bandhasana. Lie down on your back, bend your knees and place your feet flat on your mat. Inhale and lift your hips up, rolling the spine off the mat. Breathe normal and hold for 20 seconds. Setu Bandhasana stimulates the lungs, thyroid glands and abdominal organs. It reduces back pain and headache. It calms the mind and it improves the blood circulation. Number 5. Pavan Muktasana. Bend both the legs at the knees. Take your knees close to your chest, thighs resting on your abdomen. Hold here for 1 minute and breathe normal. Pavan Muktasana is very much effective in gastric problems. It promotes digestion and relieves constipation. It massages the intestines and other abdominal organs.